Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set your Instagram camera to default to selfie mode easily. So if you guys tired of opening the Instagram camera and having to manually switch to the front facing or selfie camera every single time, I know it's annoying, and here I'm going to help you how you can do it or how you can always use front camera by default in Instagram. So you can just first launch the Instagram application. Now you can just click on your story option and choose the camera button in here. So Instagram camera will be open automatically, and as you guys can see, it's on the rear camera. And if you want to make it in selfie mode by default, you can just click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and this is where the camera setting is on Instagram. And under the control sections, there is this option always start on front camera, so you need to just toggle it on just like this, then tap on done, and after that your Instagram camera will be automatically on selfie mode every time you open it. So guys, that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.